Lord, as you have blessed my family and me with a new beginning, let our relationship with you begin anew. Help us to continue to preserve you in spirit and truth. Lord, help my family and me to remember that you are always with us. Let our eyes be focused on you and increase in us a deep trust in you above all things. Lord, open my eyes and that of my family members to see the opportunities you have set before us. Give us the wisdom to take advantage of them to your glory. Lord, help my family, friends, and loved ones to love and appreciate the life you have blessed them with. Cause them not to make any decision that will cost them dearly. Lord, help my family, friends, and loved ones remember that they belong to you. Let them not be distracted by the shining objects of the sin the world presents to them. Lord, remove every burden and yoke my family, friends, and loved ones may be carrying. Give them your burden and yoke instead, for they are easy and light. Lord, forgive my family, friends, and loved ones for any wrongdoing they have committed in the time past and now. Let them also be forgiving towards others.